Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and taking care of yourself. So, today's video is all about goodwill messages and what are goodwill messages and how do we write a goodwill message and what are some points which we have to keep in our mind when writing a goodwill message. So these are some subtopics which we are gonna be cover up in this entire video. So let's start. So first, let's do what a goodwill message is. So a goodwill message is a part of a memorandum, and yes, about memorandum we have already discussed in the previous video. So a goodwill message is a part of a memorandum in which we express our thanks or gratitude, emotions, feelings or sympathy towards the other person, and that person would be anybody, your family member, your friend, your colleagues, anybody. So, this is the way through which you express your feelings to the other person. Now, what are some points which we have to keep in our mind while writing a goodwill? So, these are five S's of goodwill message. So, first is be selfless, means you should concern more with that person than your own. मतलब आपको अपने बारे में अपने लिए उस लेटर में कुछ नहीं लिखना है. एंड सेकेंड इज बी स्पेसिफिक, मीन्स यू शुड बी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट व्हाट टू डू और व्हाट टू राइट. मतलब जिस लिए आप लेटर लिख रहे हैं सिर्फ उसी चीज़ के बारे में आपको बात करनी है, ये नहीं कि आप यहाँ वहाँ की बातें कर रहे हैं. Third one is be sincere, means one who communicate or act according to that person's feeling or thoughts or desire in that manner that is honest and genuine. Means you must communicate or act according to that person's feeling or situation. Fourth one is be spontaneous, means one who has a tendency to do things naturally without planned or beforehand. Means you should be spontaneous while writing. मतलब जब आप लेटर लिखोगे तो ज़्यादा प्लान्ड वर्ड्स और थिंग्स की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो आप बोलना चाहते हो, जो आपके दिल में है, बस वही लिखो. And fifth one is be short, because if you are writing a goodwill message to your colleagues or friends about his or her accident news or about someone's demise, so you know you will not like writing a long paragraphs, because that person who is lying on the bed maybe with lots of fractures, so he will not gonna read your like 2 or 3 paragraphs emotions. Okay, so you should be short while writing the goodwill message. So here is a sample question. Send a memorandum conveying your condolence on the demise of your colleague's mother. So write memorandum in capital letter, then leave a line, then two in which receiver's name and his or her designation will be there, and then from in which sender's name and designation will be there, then date of drafting, then subject condolence, then again leave a line. Then I am extremely sorry to hear about the sudden demise of your mother. It is very difficult for me to accept this as well. Then again leave a line. Then may God give you the strength to bear this loss. Please let me know if I could be of any help. Then again leave a line. May the soul of your mother be at peace. My most sincere condolence. Then again leave a line. Then signature of the sender and then name of the sender. So here is another sample question. Your colleague met with an accident yesterday. His right foot got fractured. Send a memorandum conveying your get well soon. So same, write memorandum in capital letter, then leave a line, then write two in which receiver's name and designation will be there, then from in which sender's name and designation will be there, then date of drafting, then subject get well soon, then leave a line. Then it was sad to know that you met with an accident yesterday and your right foot got fractured. Then leave a line. Then please take care of yourself and let me know if you need help. I shall visit you sharply. Then leave a line. I will pray to God for your health and speedy recovery. Then leave a line. then signature of sender, and then name of sender. So this is all about goodwill message, and I hope it was informative for you. And if yes, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, most important, hit the bell icon for further updates. Till then, bye bye.